Hi friends, Chef Lee here. Do you ever wonder how a Japanese restaurant make their miso cod so tasty? Today, I'm gonna show you all their secrets. Also, I will show you how to elevate this dish even more with a red beetroot miso sauce. For the miso marinade, add 2 tablespoons of white miso, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix them evenly. Next, cut the black cod into serving size. I like to mark the skin side first. I believe this would help the fish to get marinated evenly. Let it stand in the fridge for at least 36 hours or up to 7 days. I pre-cooked some beets for the miso sauce. Let's put the fish into the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I also braid some carrots. For the seasoning, I use some salt, honey, lemon juice, and chili powder. Let's make the beetroot miso. Throw in half the cooked beets into a blender. Since I don't have a juicer, I add some water and I will blend it in the highest setting. Next, in a saucepan, pour in equal amounts of sake and mirin. Also miso paste. Let the alcohol evaporate a little. Then add in our beetroot juice or puree. Stir in a few times. Now because miso can be very salty, after it boils, turn down the heat. I also added some sugar to balance the saltiness out. You really want to take your time with this. Cook the sauce until it really thickens up. Our fish is ready. Time for plating. Beetroot miso, black cod, braised carrots, pickled carrot ribbons, and some scallion. Lastly, some edible foam. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And to get more cooking ideas, please click on more recipe videos at the end. Or just go to my channel page. Take care.
Hi, Chef Lee here. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are about the video. If you have any questions and feedback regarding this recipe, I would love to hear from you. Please follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you all next time.